changed a little bit since a week ago. Before it was good. But these days, especially during evening, there was a rainfall almost every day.
Now it seems okay.
Yeah, it seems okay in the morning, but in the evening it rains.
Okay.
This is the only ground we have in Dharamsala. That's the ground.
Så nu går vi jo her og ser på banen her. Hvilket bekræfter mig i en ting, jeg havde tænkt før vi kom herop, nemlig at det var umuligt at planlægge noget. Det ligner en slagmark. Det ligner Flandern i første, som jeg forestiller mig, det er første verdenskrig. Så der skal tænkes lidt effektivt her. We cannot, considering the ground conditions, let's say we can use the upper half of the field.
Yeah.
More or less.
That's true, yeah.
So, where are the rest of the players? Coming?
Yeah.
Red team will start chasing the ball. If they win the ball, they'll just play with the team that didn't lose the ball. You understand that? Okay? Everybody inside the square. Ready? Here we go. Half an hour. Okay. That's it. Ask for it. Play. That's it. Play. Ask for it. That's it. Control it. Come here. Was that really the best idea, playing it there? Come in, move closer. Stop. Let's have a look at your options. Okay, Dundo, was he the best choice? Yeah. That was better? Yes, gentlemen, we are playing here, that's right. Thank you. We're playing here. So, we'll wait for you. Thank you.
In the map of the Dharamsala, it is a road.
I see. I see.
Sometimes this gives a lot of problem during the matches. And we can't stop this flow, the cow and the people.
Like the Indians this morning, they just walked around.
This is their public road.
I see. Okay. That's it, change it. Listen, gentlemen. If you keep losing the ball when playing only against 4 players, how can you even imagine playing a game 11v11? You lose the ball all the time. Unless you ask for it, I can't hear you. I cannot hear you. And you move, and you play it fast. Get the ball already when the ball is moving. Where are they? Play. Yes. Come on, yeah, play. You're just standing like that. How can you play then? De er taktisk meget udskolet. Jeg synes, på en enkelt træningssession her, der kunne man godt spore lidt fremskridt. Altså. Men indstillingen er også, glemmer ikke. De vil jo alt, ikke? Altså, vi har bare ikke materialet til rådighed, åbenbart. Ikke? Det er sådan lidt... Jeg vil ikke sige, at jeg bliver frustreret over det, men altså, vi står her med spillere, men jeg aner ikke, om de kan komme med eller ej. Der er specielt en af de allerbedste spillere, der har store problemer med passet. Play safe! Play safe! Ask for it! Hey, listen, my friend. Now we're playing circus ball again. Don't do that. From a fixed position, you got to be on the move. Move according to the movement of the ball. You get it? Okay, go on. A lot of tricks and dribbling down here and change direction. But up here, shots. Right? Second half, 15 minutes to go, right? Change over. Yep. Hey, gentlemen, let's get the balls and cones and everything in. We can't play anymore. Så jeg synes, det så rigtig skidt ud i øjeblikket. Der er spillere her, som de har ikke minimum af fodbold for mål. Og det, som der hele tiden har været meningen og været grundtanken i projektet, det var, at man kan godt være en lille nation og ikke være særlig god, særlig stærk, sammenholdt med andre nationer, men det man gør, det skal man gøre alvorligt. Men der er spillere her, som altså, de vil blive til grin, hvis de sætter et ben på en dansk fodboldbane med status af landsholdsspiller. Så vil Tibet ikke blive taget alvorligt som fodboldnation, og det vil være det værste for dem. Det synes jeg er interessant på nuværende tidspunkt, her, hvor regnen sikker ned, og togen ligger tykt over Nordindien. Det er klart, at selvfølgelig arbejder vi ud fra de ting, der er. Ikke? Men problemet er, at vi ikke har et fodboldhold i øjeblikket. Hvis tingene går dårligst muligt, så vil de 5, der i øjeblikket er i behandling, ikke kunne komme med heller. Så har vi 8 spillere. Men altså, vi har også nogle dygtige spillere. Der er ikke noget der, men vi har bare ikke noget, som jeg ser det i øjeblikket, har vi ikke noget dygtigt hold, uden vi får en blodtransfusion af en 5-6 dygtige folk.
Okay, play on. Organize. Let's see you organize. Organize. Get up. Move up. Move up. Yeah. Come across. Okay. Attack him, Tashi. Okay. Okay. Okay, you go out. That's it. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Okay. Push up. Push up. Push up. Push up. Stay with him. Stay with him. Catch him. Okay, well done. Yeah, that's it. Look at the ball. Look at him. Look at the ball. Look at the ball. Follow. 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 That's it. Okay, get out. Get out. Next one. Next one. Look at the ball. Look at the ball. Look at the ball. Stay with him. Stay with him. Close him down. Close him down. Close him down. Stay with him. Stay with him. Excellent. Good work.
15 seconds. Just 15 seconds.
Den psykiske tilstand er lav, ikke? Altså, de har været i træningslejr nu her med 2 daglige træninger de har været i 3 uger. Altså, det er klart, det holder ikke. Måske hvis det var top-professionelle spillere, kunne det være, at man kunne samle et hold i så lange træningslejre, men det er ikke top-professionelle spillere her. Det er spillere, der slet ikke er vant til at træne på det her niveau. I know as a coach, it's very strenuous and very hard to practice twice a day. So we need to freshen our minds and bodies and be ready for what's to come. And I think you need a rest. So from now until Friday, you're off.
Free time now. Party time. Relax.
Please it on.
Hvad skal det være? Hvad?
Det er et tibetansk symbol, der står for fred og harmoni.
Følg jer!